Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best 3D printer for small objects. This optimistic 3D printer is an affordable and efficient way to bring your ideas to life. This 3D printer is for users with a tight budget who need to create small objects quickly. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for small objects. To help you out, we've dived into the market and compiled a comprehensive list of 3D printers perfect for small objects. Each 3D printer is an excellent choice that impresses with its features and capabilities and is used in various conditions. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D printer is optimistic for all your small object printing needs. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it a game-changer in 3D printing. Imagine having the power to bring your wildest ideas to life with just a touch of a button. The Dremel DigiLab 3D printer is your creative companion, ready to transform your imagination into reality. This little powerhouse is compatible with various materials like ECO-ABS, nylon, PETG, and PLA filament, making it incredibly versatile. It boasts a high-quality all-metal 0.4mm nozzle that heats up to a blazing 280 degrees Celsius, ensuring precise and detailed prints every time. Plus, with its removable glass build plate that heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, your prints will stick securely, minimizing the risk of warping. Setting up the Dremel DigiLab 3D printer is a breeze. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to dive into the exciting world of 3D printing. Its 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen makes navigation a breeze, offering a seamless and intuitive interface. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is the Archidi Technology 3D printer. Introducing the remarkable Archidi Technology X Plus 3D printer, the ultimate companion for crafting small objects that will ignite your imagination. With its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance, this printer takes your creation's awesomeness. Let's start with the extruder assembly, which has undergone an incredible upgrade. The dual-gear extruders bring new precision to your prints, ensuring every intricate detail is captured flawlessly. No more worries about clogging or inaccurate prints. The improved heat dissipation keeps things cool, giving you uninterrupted printing adventures. Were you printing large models? No problem! The double Z-axis driver brings stability and precision like never before. You can confidently embark on creating those grand-scale masterpieces without compromising on quality. The X Plus offers a generous print size of 10.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inches, giving ample room to bring your visions to life. But wait, there's more! The filament detection function is a game-changer. Never fear running out of filament during a big project, as the printer will alert you when it's time to reload. And if the power unexpectedly goes out, fret not. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is Bibo 3D printer. The Bibo 3D printer is an incredible 3D printer with unique features that brings your small object printing dreams to life. First and foremost, the Bibo 3D printer boasts a full-color touchscreen that eliminates any threshold for operation. Say goodbye to confusing buttons and hello to a user-friendly interface that makes printing a breeze. But that's not all. The dual extruder capability takes your creativity to the next level. Imagine printing small objects in 2 vibrant colors or utilizing dissolvable filaments to create intricate support structures. The possibilities are endless with the Bibo, and your creations will genuinely come to life. Running out of filament during a print is every maker's nightmare, but fear not. The Bibo comes equipped with filament detection, a handy feature that automatically pauses the printing process when your spool is empty. This convenient pause allows you to load a fresh spool effortlessly, ensuring uninterrupted printing of your big volume objects. To top it all off, The Bibo offers Wi-Fi control, allowing you to conveniently oversee and control your prints from your phone or PC. Managing your printing projects has never been more accessible at home or on the go. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Fulsun 3D printer. When creating small wonders, the Fulsun Super Racer 3D printer is the ultimate champion. With its lightning-fast speed of 200 millimeters per second, this printer zooms through your projects, saving you more than half the typical printing time. Imagine bringing your creations to life in record time. It is swift and boasts an impressive large printing volume of 10.2 inches by 10.2 inches by 13 inches. That's ample space to unleash your imagination and bring even your boldest ideas to fruition. No more limitations or compromises. The Fulsun Super Racer goes beyond mere speed and size. It embraces the future with its cutting-edge linear rail guide and 3-axis linkage technology. Say goodbye to shaky prints and hello to astonishing precision and stability. You'll be amazed by the flawless results and the whisper-quiet operation that lets your creativity soar undisturbed. But wait, there's more! The Fulsun Super Racer is a true problem solver. Its auto-leveling system ensures a hassle-free start to your printing journey. And fear not the unexpected power outage or any other interruption, for this printer has a nifty resume printing function. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Lotmax Shark V3 3D printer. In today's competitive world, where imagination knows no bounds, the Lotmax Shark V3 3D printer emerges as the shining star, bringing your wildest creations to life. This marvel of technology is your gateway to a world of limitless possibilities, especially when crafting small objects that pack a punch. Prepare to be amazed as the Shark V3 effortlessly combines the power of gravity-sensing conduction leveling with ultra-precise software optimization. Say goodbye to wonky prints and hello to perfection. With its modular design, this printer embraces the art of 3D printing and dazzles with its laser engraving capabilities. But that's not all. As you embark on your creative journey, the Shark V3 keeps excellent thanks to its ultra-fast cooling system. Dual color printing? Yes, please! With a simple filament switch, watch in awe as your small wonders come to life in a dazzling array of hues. In just 10 minutes, you'll be ready to dive into a world where small objects hold immense power. And let's not forget the blissful silence accompanying your printing endeavors, courtesy of the German-made ultra-silent TMC 2208 stepper drives. It's a symphony of precision and tranquility. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for small objects. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.